What's up, guys? So this is the Megamass linear T-bar row. It is chest supported, so make sure you are adjusting to your height, so that way you're able to get the proper stretch. As you plate load, again, make sure you're using the proper weight that you are capable of doing. Now, as you step up, you have different footing where you can do a neutral step here, or if you want a more overhang, you can do overhead grip, neutral angle. Personally, I like the overhand. I like to target my lower back, get a full kind of back stretch, and then roll towards the back. Now, personally, I like to have my foot down versus up, and then it'll allow me to get a deeper stretch, and then we're rowing back. Now, this is the Megamass chest supported linear row.